Hello students, in this video we will study remaining part of that lesson. What are the characteristics of sound? The characteristics of sound are loudness, pitch and shrillness. Let us study about each. First is a loudness. What is a loudness? It is the characteristic of sound that is determined by the amplitude of the sound waves. The higher the amplitude, the more is the loudness of the sound. When amplitude is higher, then loudness also will be high. The loudness is expressed in a unit called decibel. In short, decibel, the symbol of decibel is small d and capital B. This table is showing decibel of the different sounds. Normal breathing 10 decibel, soft whisper 30 decibel, normal conversation 60 decibel, busy traffic 70 decibel, average factory 80 decibel. Above 80 decibel, the noise becomes physically painful. Above 80 decibel sound become noise. It is a painful. Next property of sound is pitch. It is the quality or characteristic of the sound which is determined by the frequency of the sound. Any two sounds having same loudness can be differentiated by its different pitch. Next property is shrillness. The frequency determines the shrillness or pitch of a sound. If the frequency of vibration is higher, we say that the sound is shrill. For example, a drum vibrates with a low frequency. Therefore, it produces a low pitch sound. On the other hand, the whistle has a higher frequency and therefore produce a sound of higher pitch. What is a audible sound and inaudible sound? The limit of sound frequency which can be heard by human beings is called audible sound. Its range is 20 to 20,000 Hz. This is the range of audible sound is 20 to 20,000 Hz. Below 20 Hz, above 20,000 Hz frequency of sound we cannot hear. So these frequency of sound are called inaudible. What is a noise? The sound which unpleasant to hear or which do not like to hear is called noise. Sound produced by horns of buses and trucks such as unpleasant sound are called noise. These are the source of noise pollution in our surrounding. Barking dogs, car horns, loud music of transistor, TV and loudspeakers, household noise and kitchen appliances, desert cooler and air conditioners, construction of building, sound of machines if some industry is located near the residential area. These all are the sources pollute create sound pollution in our surrounding. What is the difference between noise and music? Regular vibration of sound produce music. Music has pleasant sound. Irregular vibration of sound produce noise. Noise has unpleasant sound. Sometimes music can become noise. Loud music would become noise. Music at higher volume causes noise pollution. It increases nervous tension. It can lead to high blood pressure and heart problems. There are some harms of the noise pollution. Lack of sleep, hypertension means high blood pressure, temporary or even permanent deafness if a person is exposed to a loud sound of more than 70 decibel continuously. And now I would like to briefly point wise what have we learned. First point, sound is produced by vibrating object. In human beings, the vibration of the vocal cords produce sound. Sound travel through a medium, gas, liquid or solid. It cannot travel in vacuum. The eardrum senses the vibration of sound. It sends the signals to the brain. This process is called hearing. The number of oscillation or vibration per second is called the frequency of oscillation. The frequency is expressed in hertz. Larger the amplitude of vibration, the louder is the sound. Higher the frequency of vibration, the higher is the pitch and shriller is the sound. Unpleasant sound are called noise. Excessive or unwanted sound lead to noise pollution. Noise pollution may pose health problems for human beings. Attempt sound be made to minimize noise pollution. Plantation on the roadside and vegetation can reduce noise pollution. Bye bye students. Stay home and stay safe.